Ndio tamuona hapo ababa nyamata amene wabeba kwambiri Tede munthu wankulu ndakuona nana mlam hi aha apa gwi takugwira nana gwi means mbwandi
What?
gwi means mbwandi takugwira asetede fotokoza bwinobwino zokhala bani tongoona zinthu za jani chinkhoso yanchani
Fotokoza yani.
Chinkoswe.
Chinkoswe.
I'm asking him about the next song. Yeah. Tatakamba bwino tokuona zitunzi yanchani utayima ndithu chifamily habe family bwino.
Ndione sende inu sende zawo chinacho.
Ndio inali AI.
Imene ndi AI.
Oh, we're saying the song. He's saying the song will be AI generated. What? Iwe tafotokoza iwe tafotokoza bwino. Mlamu koma akuziwa bwino.
Kuziwa kuti jani?
Balo wangu. Ufuna utaye forex zona.
Kuziwa kuti jani?
Anyamata wera tufutu wake. Sisi ukupitani tu maskando kwi.
Do you know anything about that? Tell this guy to go away.
Really? You don't know anything? Wow. Adedi okay tataima guy tagunda kwa wifi ku network kale bwino and asamone urgent zongwe azona bwino umakwana